When we're working with currency conversions, you'll be given two different conversions. You'll have one that says dollars per foreign, and then you'll have one that says foreign per dollar. That's going to tell you how to set up your conversion factors. So let's say that we have euros, and I'm just making this up. Let's say it's $1.23 per foreign and 0.81 foreign per dollar. What that means, if it says dollars per foreign, that means that the number here is the number of dollars over whatever the foreign currency is. Then the other one, foreign per dollar, means it's that many of the foreign currency for $1. So you absolutely need to be able to convert these two expressions into the appropriate conversion factor. From here, let's say that we had something that was 15 euros. Then we would multiply by the 1.23 over euro, because that's going to get euro to cancel, and then you would multiply. If we knew something was $13, we would use the other conversion where $1 is 0.81 euro, because that's going to get the dollars to cancel, and we would still multiply on this one. So when you're doing the currency conversions, that's the essential piece. And then from here, you might have per liter or something else that you need to further convert, but those are using the same conversion factors that we've been using in the other problems. Now, for the cubic yard problem, the thing that you want to do on those is, since 1 yard is 3 feet, when you need to do a cubic yard, you need to cube this. Cubed is where you multiply something 3 times. And so 3 times 3 times 3, that gives us 27. Feet times feet times feet, that's cubic feet. And so our unit conversion here is 1 cubic yard equals 27 cubic feet. So if you've calculated something and you have found the volume, let's say it's 2 yards by 6 yards by 3 yards, then the volume there, you would multiply all that together, you would get 36 cubic yards. But if you wanted to convert this into cubic feet, then you would use our conversion factor up here. We'll put the yards down low, and then the feet, the 27 cubic feet up here, and that's going to end up being a multiplication problem. So if you wanted to send me exactly which questions it was that you had on here, I'd be happy to go through those with you. So just let me know which numbers they were, and if there's anything else I can do to help you understand these conversions, because we will keep using these. So I want to make sure that we understand them so that as the problems get harder, we're able to work through them.